Hello, GCA Champions. The moment you've been waiting for is here. GCA's Got Talent is back. Here's what you need to know. The talent show opens October 8th and it closes on January 23rd. The judges are looking for preparedness. Did you come ready to shine? Presence and delivery. How confidently did you present yourself? Quality, the effort, skill, and polish of your act. Personality and enthusiasm. Bring that energy and excitement so we can really see you. This year, we're shaking things up. You get to help decide who makes it into the semifinals. Families will vote for their favorite acts, and then our panel of judges will choose the first, second, and third place winners. We've also got a new twist for Champ's Choice, but you've got to stay tuned for the details. Keep checking our talent show page for those updates. So get ready to plan and practice your performance, capture it on a video that is no more than 2 minutes long, and send it in before January 23rd. And remember, the most important rule of all is to have fun. We cannot wait to see your creativity, your skills, and your amazing talent shine on our GCA's virtual stage.